Have you ever wondered if humans are still evolving? What does the future hold for our species? Will we remain the same as we are today, or are there intriguing forces at play that might shape us into something entirely different? Let's dive into the fascinating world of human evolution and see what science has to say. Human evolution has been an ongoing process for millions of years. From the time our early ancestors first walked the earth to our modern-day existence, we've undergone remarkable changes. Did you know that about 99.9% of the human genetic makeup is identical across all individuals? Yet, that remaining 0.1% is responsible for the incredible diversity we see in physical appearances, traits, and even susceptibility to certain diseases. Astonishingly, the human genome is constantly changing due to various factors such as natural selection, genetic drift, and mutations. In fact, approximately 4 to 5% of the human genome has evolved in just the past 40,000 years. This indicates that evolution is still very much at work in shaping our species. The question at hand is whether humans will be the same as we are today in the future. To answer this, we need to understand the driving forces of evolution and how they might impact our species over time. Evolution is a result of adaptation to the environment. As our surroundings change, so do the selection pressures on our genes. For example, imagine a group of humans living in a cold climate. Over time, individuals with genetic variations that allow them to better handle the cold will have a survival advantage. Similarly, imagine a population of prehistoric humans living in a sunny region. Over generations, those with slightly more melanin in their skin would have been better protected against harmful UV radiation, thus increasing their chances of survival and passing on this trait to their offspring. So, the answer to the question of human evolution is yes, humans are still evolving. Evolution doesn't have an end goal, it's an ongoing journey. As the environment, lifestyle, and challenges faced by human populations change, certain traits may become more advantageous, leading to their gradual spread throughout the population. For instance, in recent times, certain populations have shown increased tolerance to lactose into adulthood, a trait not as prevalent in our ancient ancestors. This is likely due to the historical practice of dairy farming and the consumption of milk products. As a result, the genes associated with lactase persistence have become more common in these populations. Today, over 65% of the global population can digest lactose, showing how our genes can change rapidly in response to new dietary habits. But what if we continue to develop advanced technologies, find ways to manipulate our genetics, and adapt our environments to suit our needs better? Could this halt or alter the course of human evolution? While advancements in technology and genetic manipulation may indeed influence certain aspects of human life, evolution is a unique process deeply intertwined with the complex web of interactions in nature. Even if we could control some aspects of our genes, environmental factors would still exert pressures on our species, shaping our evolution. Moreover, our interconnectedness with other life forms on Earth means that changes in the environment and ecosystems can have unexpected ripple effects on our own species. Evolution is a dynamic process, and any alterations we make may come with unforeseen consequences. Studies have shown that due to modern transportation and migration, humans are now interbreeding with other distant human populations more than ever before in history. This has led to the sharing of genetic material across different continents and races, blurring the lines of traditional genetic distinctions. Yet, what if humans start heavily manipulating our own genetic code through technologies like gene editing? Could this potentially lead to a future where natural evolution becomes a thing of the past, and we become a species of our own design? While the future of human evolution is indeed uncertain, it is unlikely that we will remain exactly as we are today. Whether through natural selection, genetic mixing, or even deliberate genetic interventions, our species will likely continue to change and adapt. Evolution is an ever-present force, And as long as life exists, it will continue to shape the living beings on this planet, including us. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Eye Opener.